Hi everyone, so it's already noon on Sunday, the 23rd, I think. I'm waiting on a couple different guys to come by to give me quotes on my lawn. I have quite a bit of area that needs taken care of, like sticks and pine cones, and it needs mowed. I've been looking into hiring someone to take care of my lawn for me, so they're coming by. Kind of one after the other, I guess, and going to give me a quote. And I've also spoke with another couple people, so we'll see, and then I'll just, figure out the best deal, but talk to you later. Oh, I'm on a walk right now. Gonna go explore, probably go check out those trails and see where all they go. But good news, I've hired a lawn guy and he's giving me a really good deal, like an amazing deal, and he's young and he's good looking and he's really nice. But anyway, he's doing the job right now, and while I'm going on my walk, and I told him that I can pay him till the 27th, but that's fine with him, and then I'll just e-transfer him on that day, and he's gonna work for me bi-weekly, so should be good. I'm walking on the trails right now. I know these ones just lead to like a little playground, but I'm gonna walk on the other ones and see where they go. So I found the trails that I believe I was looking for before. Took a picture of the sign too, so maybe even Addie or Michaela and their Respite workers can walk down here too. Super cool. And I think this is what my friend was telling me about like years ago, these trails. And Michaela was like scared to go down there for whatever reason. She was kind of scared of some trails back then. But we started at the other entrance, I think it was, so anyway, I'm going to explore and see where all they go. Also, these trails are right by all the really, really fancy, like really, really fancy houses. They're so cool, so beautiful, like mansions. It's kind of like the houses you see in Westlake. There's like 3 sets of trails and I don't know where all of them go. It's like, where do I pick? No bugs. Interesting. So weird. Kind of creepy. like secret trails. Where do they go? Oh really, where do they go? So weird. It's like fence and garbage cans. Again, I don't know which way I'm supposed to go. But this area seems really cool. I would definitely be checking out all of these on like kid-free weekends. So yeah, I talked to this other couple. I'm just gonna go the other way for now, so I don't have to walk with them, but there's lots of trails and they connect to each other, so I'm gonna check it out. See what's all here. Oh wow. Oh, I'm not gonna climb down there. So there's stairs. And this, which I will never ever walk down, ever. But there's a beautiful river, beautiful, like the lake. Whatever. I'll go up these stairs and see where all they go. Holy moly, there's a lot of stairs. That's kind of scary. Oh man. Holy shit, there's more stairs. Oh, this part sounds scary. All these stairs, and there's more stairs. I guess I'll venture up. A little scary. Pretty sure this takes me back to where I was. It all connects. That is so cool. Awesome. I wonder if the girls would venture up those stairs. Kayla probably be scared of them. Oh well, they could walk around and see. Wouldn't hurt. See? Oh, beautiful. Cool. See, this takes me back to where I was, I think. So weird. So I've been doing lots of exploring on these trails. I think I'm gonna go on that one area with that bridge that I was gonna go on originally, but I am glad I went on the stairs and saw the lake or whatever. Super cool. Goes out quite a ways, these trails. There's even other trails across the road, which I wasn't gonna go on because I don't want to be that far away from home. And it might even rain. It's kind of got that, you know, vibe right now. Kind of feels like it's could start raining any minute. So anyway, still super cool. And I sent pictures to both of the girls, respite workers, and told them about the trails. And I mean, especially Addie could definitely go on these with Rachel, and Michaela could even check out some of it with Amanda. She likes to walk a lot, so especially in the summertime when they have like the full 3 hours, that'd be great. So yeah, it's like lightly sprinkling right now, but I'm not concerned yet, so I'm gonna explore. But I have no idea what's going on in my house right now. Like, I don't know if he finished the yard work. Like, I was kind of hoping maybe he'd like text me when he was done, but I haven't heard anything. So hopefully everything's good and it's all done and whatever, and he just like decided to just leave. But you kind of think that he might like shoot me a text and just be like, oh, I'm done and blah blah blah. Or maybe he's not done because there's so much to do. Or maybe he did extra. I'll know when I get home. And I'm going to explore some more. I'm going to go back down the same trails that took me to the bridge and then walk on the bridge and go down there and see where that goes. Kind of all loops around like trails do. But these trails are awesome. Highly recommend these. This is going to be like a lot of exercise today. I'm almost debating about going down that far, but if I had an extra kid-free day, I would like do it the next day, but I don't. I still don't know how long it's going to take me, but it's like 2 o'clock or something right now. I guess I'll just go and see it, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. So I gotta walk home. And this is actually taking me a lot out of the way. So yeah, the Devin, the yard guy, he did end up texting me just like 10 after 2, saying he was all done, and he said thank you, so he was really nice, and I texted him back. So I'm not quite sure how long it took him, but obviously there was a lot to do. So, but yeah, I told him that I was looking forward to seeing it, what he did. So now I've crossed that bridge and I'm gonna go explore and see what's over here. And when I get home, I'm gonna have a healthy snack. I'm gonna have some of my Greek yogurt and berries chia seeds, maybe some almonds, and obviously water. So that's, yeah. But when I have my like kid-free weekend, pretty much like whenever I have it, if I can, I'm going to be venturing out onto these trails and checking out everything. And yeah, probably can't do it that one weekend, the one weekend I have in July, because I'm doing my colonoscopy prep. But other than that, hopefully I can come here. And also on the days when both girls are with the respite workers, I could come here as well. But I found some other random trails in the mix of trails that I'm venturing on, and it leads to a regular trail too, so I'm going to take some pictures. Super cool. This is pretty sweet. This is Ladybug. Look. Wow. That's insane. Oh my god, this goes on forever. It's so weird. Oh my goodness. So there's like trails within trails within trails, and I just never know where I should go down. And I'm just like, I wanted to see that other bridge and where it led to, but then I found this other super cool area that I just vlogged. But this looks really cool too, so we'll see. 2 ducks in the water. I can barely see the female one, but she's there. Super cool. This place is like amazing. Like, this is like the coolest place ever. No joke. Holy shit, this is so cool. What? Look. And it's not sharp. It's just like trees in the middle. I'm so lost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Seriously, another one. I'm gonna go back. This place is so crazy. Like, I need to get out more, obviously, because I haven't seen these trails before. And I've been in Reggie my whole life. It's pretty sad. But now, okay. See, I'm already like getting lost. I really don't want to get lost. But it's so easy to if you don't know these trails. But I plan on going on these lots. And people like look at me like I'm out of town or something, probably because I'm filming all of this. Like so amazed by all of this. But like, you know, okay, I remember the beer can here. So, okay, so that's the bridge. It literally does loop around. Oh my god, that's so cool. Thank you, beer can in the trees. Where is it? He helped me find my bridge. Well, I could have went down further then. So I'm going home. It's gonna be a little bit of a trek. I should be home by like 3 o'clock, I think. We'll see. That's my goal. Hi everyone, so I decided to make an outro to my video today. I know I haven't made one in a while. I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you to everyone who watches my videos, likes my videos, and subscribes to my channel. Anytime someone likes my videos and subscribes, it helps support my channel and I really appreciate it. So just hit the like button at the bottom of the screen and the big red subscribe button to help support my channel and help it grow. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a good night. Alright, bye!